I think when you walk into any healthcare facility, you expect, great clinical staff, the best quality, state-of-the-art technology. The added benefit of having the Healing Arts program is that you immediately sense a different environment. My name is Glenn Ann Stoll, and I'm the Director for Regional Business Development at Atlanticare.
The Healing Arts program relaxes people in many, many different ways, and it makes people feel as though that they're a part of getting better and feeling stronger. And it also helps not just the patients, but it also helps the staff put together a better look on their outlook on how things are being handled here at the hospital. You looked at a piece of art or a sculpture and you're able to look at that and get the feeling that that belongs in the hospital. My name is Ralph Hunter. I'm the founder and director of the African American Heritage Museum of Southern New Jersey.
We started the Healing Arts program in 2006 at our mainland campus expansion, and it really was an opportunity for us to add a different facet to the work of the foundation. We typically done fundraising through just special events, the gala and the golf tournament, and by researching what other hospitals were doing successfully, they were incorporating healing arts as part of their fundraising and development efforts.
When I was going through chemo, the first week after I had my first chemo treatment, I was awarded the largest commission of my career for the Ocean County Library. And I have to say that my art and working on that art throughout my chemo saved my life. I truly believe that, because some days I was so busy working on my art, I forgot that I was sick. My name is Joni Sancherico. I'm a mixed media artist. I work in textiles, photography, and painting. I've been very fortunate working in the Healing Arts program at Atlanticare. The newer hospitals, with all the research that they've been doing, have really discovered that art and design really helps patients become more acclimated and more comfortable and not as nervous as they would be years ago.
You kind of get the understanding that Atlanticare's walls now speak back. Art matters, and art has mattered a great deal in the contributions that Atlanticare has paid to the arts here in Atlantic County.
I think artwork humanizes the work environment. It impacts the level of motivation and subsequent performance of our employees. It creates a cultural environment for Atlanticare to fulfill its mission and its vision. So I think the Healing Arts program is an integral part of the organization. I hope it's a huge part of our growth and our expansion. My name is Janine Bagassi, and I am currently the Performance Improvement Coordinator here at Atlanticare.
I had the occasion to sit outside the cancer center one day, and I was actually sitting in the parking lot, and it was pouring rain, and you could literally just look inside and see the way the light was coming down and hitting some of the artwork, and it was just very soothing and very peaceful.
Atlanticare is a leader in bringing this healing art program not only to Atlantic City, but to the county and throughout the United States.
If I can even have somebody look at my painting instead of sitting there petrified of what's going to happen, and look into it and try to figure out what I meant when I was painting that's just fabulous to me.
As we continue to grow in Atlanticare, I think that the healing arts should be an integral piece of our expansion and, our growth.
When Atlanticare made a commitment of 1% of hard construction costs for our Healing Arts program, we also made a verbal commitment to support the artists of New Jersey. And the reason we did that, not only because it's the right thing to do from a corporate, responsibility standpoint, but it creates additional partnerships for Atlanticare, because our overall vision is to create a healthier community. And the health of the community doesn't just depend on whether, you can walk and talk and do all these great things. It's your emotional health, it's your mental health, it's your financial health, it's all those aspects put together.